explore the powerful connection between an ancient goddess's triumph and the wisdom of your menstrual cycle. In the ancient realm, the shape-shifting demon Mahishasura wreaked havoc, believing himself invincible. The gods, powerless against him, combined their energies to create Goddess Durga, who vanquished Mahishasura, restoring balance and cosmic order. Just as the gods combined their energies to create Durga, the menstrual cycle involves a harmonious interplay of hormones, illustrating the incredible, life-creating power inherent in every woman. The fierce struggle represents the physical and emotional challenges many women face during their menstrual cycle. Durga's calm resolve highlights the importance of remaining centered and composed despite these fluctuations. The constant change in Mahishasura's forms symbolizes the unpredictable nature of the cycle. Durga's ultimate triumph signifies overcoming these changes by embracing one's inner strength and resilience. The story of Durga and Mahishasura teaches the transformative power of the feminine, encouraging women to see their menstrual cycle as a period of renewal and empowerment. Recognize the cyclical nature of your body as a source of strength, not weakness. Like Durga, you hold the power to overcome any challenge, balancing your life and nurturing your well-being. Embrace the ebb and flow with grace, and let your inner goddess guide you through the phases of your menstrual cycle.